Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to enable screenshot on PayPal. Now, first of all, on the app, okay, you cannot do screenshots because of your phone security feature. This is not because of PayPal, but what you can do is you can come to your browser, log into PayPal, and if you want to take, screenshots of any transactions, then all you need to do is just come here, click on search, and type in snipping tool, and just go ahead and open up this snipping tool right here. Click on open, and then all I need you to do is click on new right here and just take a screenshot. You can drag and drop and leave right there and select whichever area you want to take a screenshot of. You can copy it and paste it somewhere. You can even go ahead and save the snip. Okay, really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.